From the sparkling waters of the Tyrrhenian Sea to the fairy tale setting of the Italian Alps and everything in between, there is something in Italy to entice every kind of traveler. Italy is a beautiful country, bursting with history, great food, and great wine. Today, we share the 10 best places to visit in Italy that promise unforgettable experiences. From stunning natural wonders to culturally rich cities, we unveil destinations that captivate your imagination and inspire your next adventure. Starting with number 1, Verona. Best known for its Shakespeare ties, Verona appeals to fans of Romeo and Juliet with themed tours of the sites that allegedly inspired the play. But there is more to this city than its literary link. Verona, located less than 20 miles east of Lake Garda, is also home to several impressive attractions and historic buildings. The whole city is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, after all. Travelers won't want to miss the Arena di Verona, a 1st century Roman amphitheater that is still in use, and Giardino Giusti, a beautifully sculpted Renaissance garden. At number 2, Assisi. A medieval town with religious connections, sits on a hilltop in the lush landscapes of Umbria, just more than 100 miles north of Rome. This peaceful town's biggest draws are its sites dedicated to St. Francis of Assisi, one of Italy's patron saints, including the Basilica of San Francesco, which houses his tomb as well as colorful frescoes, and the Bosco di San Francesco. Beyond its religious heritage, Assisi is worth a visit for its picturesque streets and sweeping views, while its location also makes it ideal for a truffle hunting excursion or wine tasting tour. At number 3 in our list, Portofino. The small, crescent-shaped village of Portofino is known as a vacation hotspot for the rich and famous. The water surrounding Portofino is often filled with yachts and is great for swimming and diving. Plus, the area's beauty and tranquil atmosphere make it an excellent place to unwind. When travelers need a break from relaxing, they can check out historical sites like Castello Brown, an ancient military fortress with incredible views of the Marina di Portofino, and Abbazia di San Frutuoso, a 10th century monastery that can only be reached by foot or ferry. At number 4, Turin. Located in the northwest corner of Italy, Turin is the perfect city break, brimming with grand architecture, museums, and delightful cuisine. Must-visit attractions include Mole Antonelliana, a former synagogue turned into a cinema museum, the 16th century Royal Palace of Turin, and the Museo Egizio, Egyptian Museum. Once you've toured the top sites, settle into local life by enjoying the city's riverside parks, street markets, football games, and historic cafes. At the latter, you'll find unique coffee blends and decadent chocolate, as well as elaborate aperitif hours. On the long list of things Turin does right, you can find these 3 items at the top. At number 5, Lake Garda. Located about 30 miles from Verona, Lake Garda tends to be more approachable and wallet-friendly, if a bit more touristy, than Lake Como. Activities in this recreational hotspot include swimming and windsurfing, as well as hiking and taking a funicular to Mount Baldo. Lake Garda also attracts families with Gardaland Resort, which includes themed hotels as well as an amusement park, water park, and aquarium. If you're looking to get away from the crowds, go beyond the main tourist sites to the quieter northern side of the lake, where you'll find the highest mountains and tucked-away towns. At number 6 in our list, Amalfi Coast. The journey to the cliffside Amalfi Coast involves heart-stopping, hairpin turns on narrow roads, but travelers agree this is part of the fun. The region covers more than 30 miles of coastline and is home to 13 colorful seaside towns, each with its own story. Positano and Amalfi are the most popular, housing numerous hotels and sites. While here, hike, relax on the beach, and eat to your heart's content, there are multiple Michelin-starred restaurants along the Amalfi Coast. For something more off the beaten path, set your sights on Trani. This humble fishing village boasts medieval whitewashed architecture, winding alleys, and authentic Italian charm. At number 7, Venice. Few destinations in the world are quite like Venice. Its uniqueness can largely be attributed to the canals that run through this northern Italian city like roads, carrying water taxis and buses in addition to its fleet of famous gondolas. As such, there is a palpable bustle here that may surprise some first-timers. For a relaxing Venice vacation, seek out the smaller streets and canals away from the busy Grand Canal and St. Mark's Square. Just be sure to stroll across Rialto Bridge and tour the Grand St. Mark's Basilica at least once. At number 8, Rome. A standard stop on many European vacation itineraries, Rome is not to be missed. Italy's capital city is a globally renowned cultural and historical powerhouse, boasting everything from ancient ruins and tranquil parks to Michelin-starred restaurants. Here, you'll find the most important relic from the Roman Empire, the Colosseum, some of Michelangelo's greatest works, in the Sistine Chapel, an 18th-century Baroque-style fountain, the Trevi Fountain, and, of course, the center of Catholicism, Vatican City. Other can't-miss tourist attractions in the Eternal City include the Pantheon, the Roman Forum and St. Peter's Basilica, the world's largest church. At number 9 is the Florence. Situated in the scenic Tuscan Valley, Florence woos travelers with old-world avenues leading to lovely piazzas big and small. While you're soaking up the splendor, make sure to stop by the Piazza del Duomo, where the breathtaking Santa Maria del Fiore Cathedral is located, and the romantic Ponte Vecchio, a 14th-century bridge overlooking the Arno River. Once central to the Renaissance movement, Florence also offers art aficionados the opportunity to see famous pieces by Michelangelo and other iconic artists of that period. As a bonus, Florence is not too far from the Chianti wine region, which makes for a good day trip. Check out the number 10 places in our list, Sardinia. Sardinia provides the best of both worlds. Costa Smeralda is all about luxury, with its lush beaches and coves overlooking yacht-filled waters. And away from all of the glitz and glamour of Costa Smeralda, you'll find a more laid-back side of the island, including small medieval towns where Sardinians still practice sheep-herding and wear traditional clothing. What's more, Sardinia features several ancient ruins, such as UNESCO World Heritage-listed Su Naraxi di Bermini. Thank you for watching Vacation Plus. We hope you've been inspired to explore new horizons and experience unforgettable adventures. Subscribe for more travel inspiration and tips. Safe travels, and see you next time on Vacation Plus.